making the pizza bake for supper tonight, y'all. So I've got a pound of Italian sausage in here and about half a pound to a pound of ground beef and just some red peppers. You can add anything you want to add in here. More peppers, onions, whatever you want to add in. Now we're just pouring in the marinara sauce and we're gonna mix that all in. You could add pasta here too if you wanna make it a pizza pasta bake. We've made those before. This time we're just leaving the pasta out, but if you do wanna add that in, you just, cook it first and then add it in with the meat mixture here. The boys wanted just regular frozen pizza. That's why I'm making just a smaller size one instead of a big 9x13. So now I'm gonna put just a little bit of Italian seasoning on top of the cheese, and I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder. And it's going in the oven for about 15 minutes just to really warm up the marinara sauce and melt the cheese.
If you go to the store and you have enough money to get 2 things.
Well, I may not have enough money for 2 things now. What if I just got money for 1? It looks like a lot. When you be looking at my billfold, people pay me that week, then everybody asks for it. Like a truck payment, the light bill.
But I actually need car.
These carrots wanted some money. Didn't they, Mama?
Yeah.
What you want, baby?
If you have enough money to get 2 things,
Okay.
then you can probably get me a remote control car.
Okay.
That has big wheels so I can drive it outside.
Well, I believe we might have enough to do that. If not, I'll go to the bank and borrow it and tell him just that I didn't have enough money for 2 things. But my boys wanting a big wheel remote control car, and I was wanting to see if I could pull out a loan to get that.
Yeah, because everyone else they're having fun outside with theirs, but the only one that I have with big wheels is not a remote control one.
Okay, well I'll tell him that. Everybody's having fun but you. I'm also going to tell him a lot of other people having fun with other stuff that I'd like to have. There's a lot of people having fun with them new gooseneck cow trailers there at the Banker, and I just want to have a little fun myself. I want to buy 2 things, Banker.
My car is going.
Are you ready for some pizza?
Yeah. Did you get it from the store?
Yes.
It's a hot.
What is that supposed to mean?
That thing smells really good right there, Mom.
What is that supposed to mean? He don't want it if I made it?
I can already tell this is going to be fantastic. Look at that. That's my favorite part of a pizza anyway. Look at that serious cheese pull we got here, folks.
I was just wondering what kind of candy you got. I'll show you on the back.
I found a little 90s flashback at the Dollar Tree today, y'all. These are not like they were back in the 90s though. They really used to make you look like that, Johnny. You see that guy? You would really look like that. They were so sour. They had really sparkly white stuff on them. Y'all remember? They were so sour that I would rinse it off with cold water to get all the sour off before I even ate it. The blues and reds are my favorite. I'm gonna get Titus to eat one. He hadn't had one in a long time, probably. When you get past the sour, it's like the best gum in there. And it's soft, they're soft, that's great. I can't remember how we used to buy them. I'm pretty sure we used to buy them at the baseball field at first. And then they started having them in stores around us. And this says extra sour. You having fun?
Yeah.
What's your job?
Tackling Daddy to try and get the ball.
Oh, that was good.
Them things are sour.
No, they're not like they were when we were kids, I promise. They're not.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's nothing.
Kids today ain't tough as we are. They tried to kill us.
It was, y'all. It was bad.
That thing would make you go, that thing ain't even sour. All right, everybody, we're going to walk now.
But I'm bringing a toy. The old people might be scared of this, but I got a smart idea that I dumped through my brain. When old people come past this, I'm going to turn it off and then hold it.
So you're afraid that the elderly may be afraid of that toy?
Yeah, just a toy. That was a smart idea, but I am going to drive around the young people. The young people are not scared of these cars.
Okie
So
dokie.
are me and Daddy afraid of it?
No.
We're okay, folks.
Enough said.
Enough said.
Like Daddy's
We're not
one
there
of the
yet.
older ladies, and he ain't scared of it.
Can you please repeat that, child?
You're one of the older ladies, and
Older. Not old yet, but part of the older.
Olderlies.
The elderly, okay.
No ice, huh?
They ain't have no ice. This is the first time he's ever had this, y'all. Just,
I like it.
you do?
Uh-huh.
When you're 5, you're drinking the blue. When you're 40, you're trying to get smart. SMARTEZ. Folks, I'm kidding. Some of y'all don't know I'm kidding most of the time. I could probably win a spelling bee. Okay? Against some 1-year-olds.
Well, I'm a 5-year-old, but I can finish that quicker than you. Since I'm a little bit younger than you. What? I'm bringing this toy.
Now, Fallon does this all the time, folks. Ah!
I don't know why it's making it.
No, you ain't scared. Come on.
Hold on tight.
Let it go. Come on. No, let go of your front hand. Go. You got it.
It goes fast.
Smile, you're on candy camera. You smile.
Oh, Farm Animal Fun Day.
Oh, that's going to be interesting. From right here till about right there where Jonah is.
Okay.
Let's see if I can stay with him now.
Okay.
Stay there, Jonah. Let me stretch so I don't pull everything out of my whole body. If I'm a little late, just keep waiting. I'll be there.
Okay. Hang on, let me get down here with Jonah.
All right, everybody. There were some people coming right there, so we had to relocate where we're going to do this race right here.
On your mark, get set, go!
Run, Daddy! Run!
I think it's a tie. I'm pretty sure it was a tie. I think it's a tie.
It's like I told y'all last time. Last time he beat me. This time we were right beside each other.
Mm-hmm.
I still hold to, if I would have had a little gas, I could have passed it.
Yeah, pushed you on through.
You feel good? I'm telling you, I've been working for months to try to do that. Whew. I think I'm ready for the Olympics.
Oh yeah.
Don't you, Mama?
Mm-hmm.
Folks, I believe if they put me on the old team, I'll probably do something this year. What y'all think?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all may see me on TV.
Saturday morning, y'all. Saturday before Easter, we're making resurrection rolls this morning. So we've got crescent rolls, marshmallows, a little bit of melted butter, and some cinnamon sugar. So what we're gonna do is take the marshmallow. Let me grab us some, a fork will probably be best. We're gonna dip it in the butter. Manly's kind of got the idea over here. We're gonna dip the marshmallow in the butter and the cinnamon sugar and then just put one in each crescent roll. Now we just put it on the crescent roll like this and we're gonna roll it up. When we get it rolled, we tuck in and close the open spots here. So we have just a little crescent ball there, kinda like a ball.
Fork?
The marshmallow is gonna disappear and the roll's gonna be what, Manny?
Empty.
It's gonna be empty.